It is happening! I don't even know what I look like on camera right now. I hope I'm recording. I don't know if I am. Okay, the car alarm is gonna need to stop outside because I need to make this video. Hey guys, it's Remi and welcome back to my channel. And today's video, honestly, I might cry. I am so excited about today's video. Okay, so today's video is jam-packed. Half of it is going to be me getting ready for a date that I'm going on that I am very excited about. Ooh, I get all giddy. Hold on, I gotta let myself feel this, okay? My heart is racing. The other half is a huge announcement that I have that I want to share with you guys. We're gonna start off with the announcement, then we'll get ready for the date. Drum roll, please. I designed my own razor that you can buy with Venus. In this announcement part, I want to talk to you guys about the whole process. I want to share with you guys just like everything that went into it. First of all, I just want to say thank you guys so much to you guys because without you, I would not be here. And this is just the craziest thing. Honestly, Gillette Venus is one of the brands that I've used, honestly, since I started shaving, which was when I was like 13 or so. My mom has always used them. So then when it was time for me to start shaving and she was teaching me how, we just automatically went to Gillette and Venus. And it's such a true honor. Oh my God, I'm like holding it. I'm gonna cry. I can't believe that this happened because oh no. I never thought this would ever happen because I didn't even know I could dream about something like this, and the fact that they believed in me enough to work with me and trusted me enough with something so crazy is just the coolest thing ever. So thank you to you guys, thank you to Venus, thank you to everyone. This is my Oscar speech. So the whole reason why I got this amazing opportunity to collaborate with Gillette Venus and design my very own, very special limited edition razor is to celebrate the launch of the new Venus Direct subscription service. Also, there's only a limited number of the Venus and Remi razors, so be sure to get yours before they run out. And to the first 500 of you who go and order my limited edition razor, if you use code REMI5, you'll get $5 off your order and you will have the smoothest skin ever and a really cute razor also. If you guys don't know, basically the subscription service is a 3-step process where you can order your razors online and they will be shipped to your house, right to your door, and it makes everything and just shaving so convenient. So the first step is to decide what razor you want, whether it's disposable, 3 blades, 5 blades, whatever. Then the second step is customization, so you can pick out whatever handle you want, whatever blade refills you want. I personally am a fan of the Comfort Glide. I've been using these literally forever and they are my favorite, I swear by them. And then the third and final step is just to choose how often you want your blade refills. I cannot tell you how many times I'm like mid-shaving and then I realize like, oh shoot, I probably should have changed my razor head today, but I'm all out. Now, thanks to the subscription service, you never have to feel that way again. So the whole process behind designing this razor handle was we had a really fun day out in LA. The Venus team flew out and we basically just sat down and designed this from complete scratch. I had such a vision already going in because as you guys know, I love everything tropical and Hawaiian and just everything like that. I'm part Micronesian, so I feel like that might have like a little thing to do with it. And I don't know, I feel like this just like screams me and I wanted this to just, you know, scream Remi if it's a Remi and Venus collaboration. And right now I'm coming on today to let you guys know that it is available for pre-order. Be sure to check out the link down below and you guys can check it out. And something super awesome is that actually every order ships free and you can cancel at any time with no questions asked. Again, it's limited edition. There's only a limited amount, so if you guys want one, be sure to pick it up. And then a couple months later, I got mine in the mail and this was me unboxing it and seeing them in person for the first time ever. It is November 16th at 6 p.m. I'm about to unbox my razors that I created.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Okay.
It just keeps getting back. It's in the back. Oh my God.
Oh my God, I can't wait. Yeah. Throw them away.
Oh my God. Look how
my God,
cute.
it's so cute.
And then I wanted this handle and I wanted the little grippy thing.
Okay,
Guys,
that's a collectible.
look at how cute it is. I designed this on a computer and then, and you know how they did this? Is they like printed this design with like paint on water and then they like, remember when the marbling nails were a big
Oh my
thing?
God, yeah.
It was like that, they like dip it in and that's why it took so long. So that was so exciting. And then also, of course, I told all my friends about it because this is like seriously one of the biggest things in my career ever. And they were all so excited for me and so supportive and I got a few of their reactions and here they were.
Can you give us a demo?
Isn't it cute? Thank you.
Oh my teeth.
It's my razor I designed with Venus. Yay! Yay! Open.
Is this it?
It's it. It's it.
Oh my God, this is such a cute razor.
Thank you. Do you want one for yourself? Giraldo.
Yes, I want to shave my legs with it.
And on top of that, Venus actually has a new campaign that they're running that I love so much. It's called My Skin, My Way, and basically it's touching on the idea that so many different like shaving brands and skincare brands and things like that use heavily retouched photos and videos and things in their commercials and just brands and things like that. And the My Skin, My Way campaign wants to celebrate every woman and every type of skin. With their marketing now, there's not going to be any more retouching, and they're even showing body hair in commercials, which I think is so cool, and I applaud them for that. Also, there's only a limited number of the Venus and Remi razors, so be sure to get yours before they run out. If you use code REMI5, you'll get $5 off your order. So all in all, just as a brand, I love Venus, and being able to work with a company that I've been using since a kid, it's just been a dream come true, and I want to thank you guys again because I wouldn't be here if it weren't for you. Thank you guys so much for your support. I love you, and let's get to this getting ready for this date video. Roll the clips. All right guys, hello. Just got home from boxing. I am sweaty and I look absolutely atrocious. I have to leave in a few hours on this date. I have literally no idea where we're going or what we're doing or what to wear or anything at all. But I figured it'd be quite an experience to get ready from start to finish. I feel okay. I'm not nervous actually, surprisingly. But first up, I need to get my sweaty self in the shower. I feel disgusting. And we're gonna start off by shaving. This right here is my little baby. Let me be a true beauty guru for a second. Ah, my beautiful razor that I designed with Venus. Mommy loves you. Since tonight is kind of a special occasion, I thought I would break out a new Comfort Glide razor head and we could put it on together. So you click it in, there we go. This is my favorite thing. I don't use shaving gel. It literally makes your life so ridiculously easy. It makes my skin so soft. That's actually like an actual compliment I get from everybody in my life. Is always like, oh my god, you're so soft. It's literally this. I'm going to go shave my entire body with this bad boy right here. Again, this is, oh my god, I can't believe it. Oh my god, wait, I'm having a moment, Oh my god. I should probably not be waving around a razor in the air. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go shower and wash my hair, and let's see what we're working with, shall we? Oh my god, honestly not that bad. All right, I'm gonna jump in the shower, go shave, do my thing, and then I'll catch up with you guys when it is makeup time. Oh, I lied. Okay, bye. All right, guys, fresh out of the shower, rip the towel off. My hair probably looks insane. My body is as smooth as a baby's butt. So yeah, first off, I'm going to take some detangler and I just spray this throughout, and then gently, just in case my hairdresser is watching, I comb through my hair. I'm just gonna part it, and then I usually just let it start air drying and I move on to my makeup. All right, I'm gonna clip my hair back. I'm gonna start off by moisturizing my lips because they're a little dry. I want them to be nice and moisturized. Am I right, ladies? I'm gonna prime my skin. I'm using the Too Faced Hangover RX Replenishing Face Primer. I like this because since the weather's getting a little colder and more dry, it's been keeping my face moisturized. And then for foundation, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Long Wear Foundation. Just gonna blend this in. We'll fast forward this. Whoa! It looks good. Good job, Rihanna. So face makeup for me, no matter what, always kind of stays the same. And I put a little bit more foundation on after my first layer just to put on top of my scarring. You could use concealer, but this is just easier for me. My under eyes are actually not bad today, so I'm not even going to conceal under there. I'm just gonna set my face with some Laura Mercier setting powder. Oh man, I forgot my brush. Hold on. Gonna just dab that on. Beautiful. I like this powder because it actually has like a really nice natural finish. I love matte skin because I do get oily, but sometimes I look very one-dimensional, and this is really good where it keeps your face matte. Also, people use this to bake. I don't bake because I'm really lazy and I like my makeup to take 10 minutes tops. Good to go. Moving on to eyes. I'm gonna prime with this MAC paint pot called Morning Frost, which came from their holiday collection, and I'm pretty sure 2002, and I should probably have thrown it out by now, but it's okay. Since I don't know what we're doing today at all, I'm gonna go like more natural on the eyes. Like, trust me, I wanna bust out the mink lashes and the smoky eye, but I'm gonna try and keep it a little chill. Ryan Murphy's calling me. Hello?
Oh my god.
Are you in love? Oh my god! I'm going on the date too. I'm getting ready right now. I love you. Oh, congratulations. Can't wait for the wedding. Bye. Sorry, I'm back. My best friend's in love. I'm happy. So I'm using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette right now on my eyes. So I just took this like taupey color and just put this all over the lid. The best part is that this look that I'm doing right now is probably another girl's like prom look, but it's okay. But I will say, as we all know, I'm Asian. So I can't put dark stuff on the bottom all the way in because it really closes off your eyes. We're gonna go with this like rosy color, you know, remind him that I am a prize and he should buy me flowers. Actually, that's like really pretty, wow. I'm gonna highlight with a little cream color under the brow. My eyeshadow skills are very, very subpar. I'm gonna take that same rosy color and just put it on the lower lash line, just look the outer part of it though. Okay, eyes look good, nice and natural, nothing too wild. Next up, onto brows. I've been using a new brow product and I really, really, really like this. It's the Benefit Brow Contour Pro. So it's really cool. It reminds me of one of those like little clicker pens I used to get at like the Hello Kitty store when I was little, again, because Asian. Start with the lighter shade, and I can't talk while trying to fill them in because I need to concentrate. So just know, I fill in the front with the lighter shade and the back with the darker shade. Whatever, you know what I mean. Honestly, such a good brow. I'm so proud of myself. Okay, that looks good. Now I'm going to take a little spoolie brush. I'm just gonna do my normal cat eye really quickly. A little coat of this. This just makes it easier for when I glue my lashes on. It just blends a lot easier. Trust me, I learned this the hard way. These are Kiss lashes and they're the beehive style. Alright, while the lashes dry, I'm going to contour my face with my Anastasia contour powder and this angle brush and just chisel to make it look like I have cheekbones. A little on the jawline, blend it down. Gonna put a little nose contour on. I just take this brush and put the contour right down the center. Honestly, I should probably try harder with this. Put it on tops the cheekbones. Last but not least, we need a little bit of mascara to blend our lashes together now that my falsies have dried. A little bottom lash mascara, trust me, goes a long way. Last but not least, for lips, I actually really like wearing lip gloss on dates with liquid matte lipsticks and things like that. I always worry if they're like wearing off and things like that. I think lip gloss wears off really nicely. So I'm gonna line my lips with this lip pencil from Urban Decay in 1993. And then for lip gloss, I'm using this Anastasia one in Sepia. And this is like a little bit of a darker color. All right, makeup is done. I like it. I feel like it's like a nice, soft, romantic look that could be good for daytime or for nighttime. And now we're gonna move on to hair. Gonna take my clips out. And a lot of you guys actually always ask me to do my hair on camera because I always like leave and do it off camera. So those people, this one's for you. So the two tools that I'm gonna use today are my Dyson air dryer thing. And then to curl my hair, I always use this one pretty much on an everyday basis. It is the Hot Tools 1 1/4 inch curling iron. I'm really bad at this, by the way. Don't follow what I do. I'm gonna throw my head over. I feel like I look like the Grudge. Okay, hair is brushed out, looking good. Now, how I do it, I don't know if this is even interesting, but I split my hair down the middle and the back, and then I take a clip and I just work in 4 sections. I split this side in half this way. I clip this side up and then I clip this side up. And then I just curl the bottom sections, let down the top, and then curl the top sections. And I just take like 1 to 1.5 inch chunks. I know a lot of people like wand curling irons without the clamp, but I personally just really prefer the clamp. I think it's easier and I like the way the curls turn out. This is a very informative video. Good job, Rem. Play some jams. I'm bored. Last part. I just wanna go back. Say hit me baby one more time. Alright guys, hair is done. I love how it turned out. I feel like it's really nice and like effortless. I'm gonna actually put some hairspray in just to hold them a little bit. Alright, that's the look. I actually really like it. I'm really happy. I'm gonna be honest, a little bit like halfway through I was like, oh my god, this is gonna look so bad. Alright guys, we got the aftermath of a getting ready video. We've got everything everywhere, but I'm going to pick out the clothing. Excuse me, tree, please move out of the way. Thank you, sir. There we go. He can stay there. Okay. I'm wearing this robe, by the way. Isn't she cute? I am the biggest robe fan. I've got my slippers on. This is a mood right now. All right, it's like a little chilly outside, so I think I should wear either jeans or I could wear a skirt with knee-high boots, which I think we all know that's what I'm gonna go with, because if you know me, I love a good knee-high boot. Okay, but let's keep it cash. Can you keep it cash? We'll see. Ooh, you know what? We could do a dress with knee-high boots. That's cute. Somewhat cash. Cash for me. All right, we got the dresses here. What are we thinking? Let me pull some options. Hold on. Okay, since it is like a little chillier, I'm thinking either this bad boy right here or this long sleeve dress. Like, this is a little fancier. This is a little more casual, like a cute little sweater dress number. Ooh, I don't know. You know what? I'm gonna go a little fancier. We're gonna do this one. I think it's gonna be cute. It's a little dress and I'll wear it with like some little boots. It'll be cute. Okay, let's try it on. All right, dress is on. I really, really like this. I'm choosing shoe options now. I'm deciding between a black boot or a white boot. I think I'm kind of leaning towards the white boot, honestly. Okay, I need to hold something. Let's check her out in the mirror. All right, here's the dress. I'm thinking definitely white boots versus black boots. It's so cute, I like it. Okay, let me put the white shoe on and then we'll see the final look. Here is the finished look, you guys. To everyone that's gonna ask, the dress is from White Fox Boutique. I love it, I like the color. I feel like it's perfect for like fall and winter. I think it's cute with the hair, and then with little booties, it dresses it up a little more. So, yes! All right, guys, I'm gonna head out now to the date. Wish me luck. I'm getting a little nervous now. Also, again, be sure to check out the Venus Direct subscription service, and also you guys can pick up my razor down below if you guys click that link. I love you guys. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye!